Populist. Steve here with this month's Culture Corner. This month, I'd like to ask us all collectively, as a team, rhetorically, of course, but how well are we focusing throughout our days? How well are we prioritizing? Let me put it this way. How many minutes a day do we lose because of distractions? We will discover this month that getting to the bottom of these issues is the first step in finding the strategic nature of focusing. See, I think this topic hits home for a lot of us. When things don't get done, we say we will get done, or we feel overwhelmed with the amount of work or life. It can be very tough, right? In a 2016 blog post, author Tony Jerry identifies people who lack focus, approach it as a time management issue or an organizational challenge. But he continues, it's neither. Tony says our ability to concentrate is related to how well we avoid and eliminate distractions. Moreover, he says people don't think of focus as a strategic skill, so they haven't spent much time examining and how good they are at it. See, focus doesn't come naturally to most people, and Tony reflects on a process he found that will help you acquire it as a skill. First, he says, become aware of the need of improving your focus. 2, make a conscious decision to invest the time and energy needed to improve. 3, practice and train your mind to concentrate. And lastly, implement your new skills and make them routine. You see, y'all, to counteract what comes so naturally, it's essential to establish priorities. In the blog post, Tony outlines an exercise to self-evaluate what you are currently prioritizing. Basically, he says, for 2 weeks, create a daily activity journal and log everything you do. This daily activity log should even include distractions and how long they were. Let's be honest, y'all. At the end of 2 weeks, closely examine the priorities you established, the things you plan on getting done, right? Again, this is a great way to be informed about yourself, what's getting in your way, and how much you need to improve. Okay? So if you like a copy of this article, please feel free to send me an email at mail.steve@populistcleaning.com. Thank you all for your hard work, and I hope we're having a great summer. All right, y'all. Until next time, let's get it. Woo!